Fluently English.
Dialogue, meeting at a road. Hey Emma, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Jake, I've been good. Just busy with college. What about you?
Same here, college is keeping me super busy. What are you studying?
I'm studying psychology. And you?
I'm doing computer science. It's tough but interesting.
Do you still play basketball?
Yeah, whenever I get free time. What about you?
Yeah, I love painting in my free time. It helps me relax.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Maybe just watching a movie. You?
I was thinking of going on a short trip with friends. You should come.
That sounds fun. Where are you going?
Maybe to the beach, a little break from studies.
That's a great idea. Count me in.
By the way, what are your plans after college?
I'm thinking about working in a tech company. What about you?
I might go for further studies or start working as a counselor.
That sounds amazing. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thank you for the compliment.
You are welcome.
Okay, see you later, Emma.
See you, bye.
Thanks for watching videos. Like, subscribe, share.